Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to reset Yahoo password without email and phone number. First, go to login.yahoo.com, enter your Yahoo email, and click Next. On the password screen, click Forgotten Password. When asked for recovery, select I need more options. Click Go to Help to reach Yahoo's support page. Under Account and Mail, choose the option closest to password recovery. Enter your Yahoo email again. Verify you're not a robot, then hit Get Started. Now, click Contact a Yahoo specialist. Wait for their email. You'll get reset instructions after your identity is verified. And that's it. That's how to reset Yahoo password without email and phone number. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.